Wow, I also want to make Oreo ice cream. How cool! Wow, a magical portal! Where am I? This is a mini kitchen where I can cook a mini meal. Wow, how lucky! Let's get to work. And here's a mini saucepan. I'll pour milk into it and salt it. And of course sweeten it. Now I will stir the milk so that everything dissolves. Hooray! Now we can add some vanilla. We will make our ice cream mega delicious. It's time to break the egg and separate the yolk from the whites. To do this, I use a special tool. The whites go into the first bowl, and the yolk stays in the second one. Perfect! I'll do the yolk first. It also needs to be sweetened and beaten well. And then, add some milk from a saucepan to it. I love cooking. La la la! Yeah, it's time to go back to our stove. And this time, I'll heat the yolk together with milk to make it foam. Wow, it's already boiling! So, it's enough. We can remove the saucepan. I hope there are no lumps left and everything will flow through the sieve. Oh, it looks like I was wrong. It is necessary to stir it with a spoon. It'll help. Great! Now I remove the sieve and add whipped cream. I'm sure it will turn out very tasty. Finally, we can pour the ice cream mixture into a mold. And put it in the refrigerator. I have actually just prepared a place. I'll wait for half an hour and see what happens. Oh, everything froze, just like I wanted it to. Wow! Now I'll take Oreo cookies and smear them with this delicious sweet ice cream. It's good that I have a special spoon. It's much more convenient with it. Now I'll put the other half of the Oreo. And I will press it. Let the ice cream be evenly distributed over the liver, as it should be. It remains to trim the edges and it's beautiful. Excellent! I insert the stick and voila! Oreo ice cream is ready. It turned out amazing. I'm very happy. But that's not all. I have a mug of melted chocolate. I'll put my ice cream in there and let it freeze. And I'll paint it in rainbow colors. This is also melted chocolate, only with dyes. Ta-da! I present to you awesome ice cream and an Oreo cookie with chocolate. It looks so cool. Oh, how I love to cook. Not only because you can create such beauty, but also because you can eat it. Oh, my mouth is watering. Can't wait to try it.
Wanna take a bite?
Wow! It is mega delicious! Guys, this is incredible! Thank you, friends! Put likes and subscribe to the channel to learn more interesting recipes. On my channel, you'll find videos about gorgeous cakes, burgers, and french fries, pasta and marmalade cola, and a bunch of your favorite dishes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!